Hello again, friends and neighbors. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with the weekly market update. Markets were mostly firmer this week. U.S. and Iran headlines driving the market along with higher crude prices lending support into the commodities. On the corn side of things, values have been firming on the backs of higher crude and higher fertilizer prices. Traders are adding a little premium to the market as the questions start to rise on the length of the conflict here in the Middle East. The Strait of Hormuz is not only a crucial point for movement of crude oil, but also a crucial point for fertilizer movements. Any disruption to the fertilizer movement going into the U.S. spring planting season has the market concerned on if there will be any changes in the U.S. corn planted acres. So some are thinking that the December 26 futures are going to have to do the little work to maintain those acres. May corn futures are now trading at levels higher than the pre-Jan 12 report, and December corn futures are at levels not seen since May of last year. May corn resistance is right around 476 with support at 4.5 to 460. December corn resistance at 498 with support at 480. On to the soybeans. The soybean market continues to get a boost from the oil markets. Soy oil hitting new highs on higher crude and optimism in the biofuels sector. Soybean meal is also supporting the market. U.S. exports remain lackluster, but with demand for byproducts, this continues to keep soybeans supported. May soybean resistance is right around $12.38 with support at $12. November soybeans resistance is $11.74 and support at $11.40. And now on to the wheats. Wheats reached market year's highs before falling back some as we round out this week of trade. Like the rest of the markets, concerns in the Middle East and dryness in the U.S. winter wheat belt have traders putting a little premium into these markets. Kansas City winter wheat topped out this week at $6.47 May futures and is trying to hold support at $6. Minneapolis spring wheat topped out at $6.69 May futures and will try to hold support right around $6.20. Market-based builder enrollment is currently happening. If interested or want more information on that program or other pricing opportunities, please contact your local grain marketing specialist. We are here to help. That's what we do.